Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Academic Literacy 302 for the fall semester 2020. Because this semester we will be doing everything online, what I plan to do is make a weekly video to just explain what you need to do, and then on Manaba you'll also have your booklet that you need to download and look through, plus there'll be some handouts, not every week, but there will be handouts that you need to download from Manaba as well, and you'll have plenty of activities for your essays that you'll need to do outside of class time. Okay, so Academic Literacy 302, what we're just doing is improving your writing skills, and we're moving from the paragraphs that you wrote in your previous English classes to full essays. And as you can see here in the attendance, this semester it's a little bit different since we're online. There's no face-to-face classes. And attendance, we still have to take attendance, and I'm going to make it very simple for you. To get your attendance points, you need to log on to Manaba the day of your class. So if your class is a Monday, you need to log on to Manaba on a Monday and access the information. Now, the teachers have access to your download information, so they can see if you have actually been on Manaba that day and what you have done, whether you have downloaded anything. The minus point system that we usually have in class, again, is a little bit different. So if you don't access Manaba that day, then you'll lose some points. Obviously, if you don't hand your work in on time, okay, if you've got some sort of writing assignment that you need to hand in, and you don't hand it in by the scheduled date, then you'll lose points as well. Also, copying from the internet. We use plagiarism software, so we can check whether you have copied something from the internet. And to be honest, it's usually very simple for us to, without using software, it's simple for us to tell if you've copied something from the internet or not. Your teachers this semester are very experienced, and so we basically know what your writing is and what has come from the internet or some other source. Also, copying from other students is also a no-no. It seems obvious, but sometimes it does happen that students copy something from another student. Okay, you cannot do that. If you are struggling to finish your assignment, don't just use another student's work and change the name and put it as your own, because we do actually read what you put onto Manaba. Okay, so we will find out, and if that happens, the student who copied and the student who gave the essay or whatever writing assignment to the other student, they will both get 0 points and be reported to the academic board. Okay, so that's basic about the attendance and the minus point system. So this is your weekly schedule over here and the assessment. All right, so this semester we're looking at attendance, 20%, your classwork, 20%. For your first opinion essay in total is 30%. And for your problem solution essay in total is 30%. Then if you look down at your weekly schedule, today we're in week 1, quite obviously. Okay, and then we have 15 weeks this semester. So make sure you keep up to date with when your classes are actually meant to be. All right, so the first piece of work for this semester Well, last semester you were writing paragraphs, so we just want to review to see if you can remember about writing paragraphs and some of the things you need to do when you're writing a paragraph. So as you can see here, there are 10 questions. What we would like you to do is answer the questions, and there is actually a test waiting for you on Manaba to complete. Okay, so try and fill that out and complete the test in Manaba. The next thing is about paragraph formatting. Okay, so we're going to write a paragraph on your summer vacation. All right. You can write anything you like about your summer vacation. If you did nothing on your summer vacation, talk about what you did. Nothing. I stayed on the sofa every day. I played games every day. What games did you play? How long did you play? What was your highest score? You can talk about anything. Okay, we just want to see what your writing is like and get an understanding of what you've been doing over the summer months. Something quite important when you submit your paragraphs online. Now, your teachers can have 200, 300 students. Okay, so it's very important when you submit a file that you submit it as follows: your class name, your name, the title, the date. So like this. This should actually be AL. So AL302, Joe Rice, summer vacation, paragraph 20 for 2020, 09 for September, and 21 for the 21st of September. Now, if you don't submit your paragraph like this, then it's possible that your teacher can't identify you and you won't get the proper points given to you. So just please make sure you follow this system. Also, if you miss the deadline, don't email your teacher with your essay, because emails can get lost. If you have uploaded it to Manaba, then the data is permanent. Alright, so that's all for today. I'm not going to explain exactly how to do this. You should remember from last semester, and actually we just want to see how you go. So follow the instructions and make sure you follow the specific instructions from your teacher, because they could be slightly different from this video. Okay, thank you and see you next week.